Today's tech tip is on how to create header images in slides. So in Google Forms you have this header up here that you can set and you can choose from the pictures that they have in theirs, or you can upload an image. The same is true if you create a YouTube channel. You can create your own header up here. And if you have a Google site, you can choose an image that they have, or you can insert your own. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use Google Slides to create each of those. So let's say that we want to create a picture to go up here for a Google form. I searched what a Google form header image size was, and it's 1600 by 400 pixels. So all I need to do to change this is to go to File, Page Setup, and I go to Custom, and I change it to pixels, and I say 1600 by 400, and then I apply. Now I have this image size, and I can change the background. I can make it a gradient. It's blue. I can insert my Bitmoji in there if I want to. I can put text in there or pictures. And let's say that I'm going to put and of course I can, resize my text to fit however I want it to be and whatever font I want it to be. And then once I get it the way I want it to look, I can, let's say I'm going to make these, I'm going to make this a little bit larger. Let's make it 100. Okay. Once I get it the size that I want it to be, I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to download this as a JPEG. And once I have done that, it downloads for me. There it is, the picture file. I can go over here to my form, and I can image upload. I can change that to upload a photo from my computer. This one is saved in my downloads. So I go there and I just pull it in, and then it lets me resize it if I wanted to only select parts, but I know that I've got the right size, so I can say select, and then it pulls it in. Now it does resize it some, so you might want to change that, but once you've got it, you can look at your form and you can see that's what it's going to look like. If I'm going to do a YouTube channel, that is 2,560 pixels by 1440. And if I want to do a Google site, it's 800 pixels by 125. All of those you can change by just going into the page setup, and then remember that you can download those as a JPEG. I hope you find this useful.